As a person who communicates through patterns and colors and analyzes the arrangement of such, seeing how others lay forth their art is important to look at from time to time. Now, they do deal with the chakras here, but it's not the traditional drawings based on sound or the symbolic arrangement. Lum, fum, rum, yum, hum, ah, and so forth, right? Or the bija mantras of Sori Gamma Pada Nisha. If we follow the patterns inside us, the neurons and DNA, looking at it from different angles, we see that these same patterns are formed externally. Plants and animals, the world, stuff going on with our perception of the sun, looking at galaxies and outwards, right? Some proportions or ratios or vibrations will come naturally. Yeah, we're like alpha on average, right? But we respond to all sorts of higher and lower things. So it's not our vibration that raises, it's our focus on one thing or the other. And yes, we put off higher and lower signals as well. Now, the diagrams communicate things. And they can represent stages. Like when you look at tarot cards do that too. And some of these things too can represent not so much a thing in itself as an action or a category. Some things will come naturally. Others require us to direct our impulses, our thoughts, our emotions, and then we will feel, we will figure out, we will know what we are, or what we could be, what to connect to. How these worldly vessels which we inhabit will require regard of other creations. How universals and particulars need expressed. How these resonate through other things and how we can be aware of things and different ways of interpreting, different ways of perceiving. I've mentioned colors. You can look at individual colors in the scheme. Cardinal, fixed, and mutable. We are not the modes. We are not these forms. Sure, we use them and we're responsible for them. All things, no things, pressed in, pulled out, it all combines.